Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Honda CR-V versus the Chevrolet Equinox. We'll dive into what makes each of these popular compact SUVs stand out. We'll look at their performance, interior features, and overall value to help you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. Get ready for a detailed breakdown of these two contenders. When it comes to performance, both vehicles offer capable engines for daily driving. The CR-V often provides a slightly more agile feel, while the Equinox focuses on a smooth, quiet ride. Fuel efficiency is a key factor for many, and we'll see how they stack up in terms of saving you money at the pump during your commutes and longer trips. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And on another note, whether you're packing snacks for a road trip in your new SUV or just prepping meals for the week, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Inside, both the CR-V and Equinox prioritize comfort and practicality. The CR-V is known for its versatile cargo area and thoughtful storage solutions, making it great for families or adventurers. The Equinox provides a spacious cabin with intuitive technology, ensuring everyone stays connected and entertained on the go. Safety features are also robust in both models.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.